Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we would like to present ratio and graph of trigonometric function. First, what is the corresponding reference angle? The corresponding reference angle alpha is always less than 90 degrees. Angle in quadrant 2, 3 and 4 have corresponding reference angles. The angle in quadrant 1 itself is the corresponding reference angle alpha equal to theta. First, we look at the quadrant 1. Alpha equal to theta is less than 90 degrees equal to 45 degrees. Second, the quadrant of 2. Quadrant 2 equal alpha equal 180 degree minus theta. While quadrant 3, alpha equal theta minus 180 degree. Lastly, quadrant 4, alpha equal 360 degree minus theta. The reference angles in quadrant 2, 3 and 4 are the corresponding angles in quadrant 1. Let's look out for the example 1 in corresponding reference angle. First, determine the quadrant and the corresponding reference angle for each of the following. A. 138 degree. 138 degree is located in quadrant 2. Corresponding reference angle alpha equal to 180 degree minus theta. 180 degree minus 138 degree equal 42. B. 239 degree. 239 degree is located in quadrant 3. So, the corresponding reference angle alpha equal theta minus 180 degree. 239 degree minus 180 degree equal 59 degree. C. 312 degree. 312 degree is located in quadrant 4. Corresponding reference angle alpha equal 360 degree minus theta. 360 degree minus 312 degree equal 48 degree.
Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about the relationship between the values of sine, cosine and tangent with the values of x coordinate and y coordinate for angles in quadrants 1, 2, 3 and 4 in a unit circle. First of all, is the quadrant 1. For sine theta is positive y, cos theta is positive x, and for tangent theta is positive y over x. The coordinate is x, y. Next, is the quadrant 2. For sine theta is positive y, cos theta is negative x, and for tangent theta is negative y over x. The coordinate is negative x, y. Next, is the quadrant 3. For sine theta is negative y, cos theta is negative x, and for tangent theta is positive y over x. The coordinate is negative x, negative y. Last, is the quadrant 4. For sine theta is negative y, cos theta is positive x, and for tangent theta is negative y over x. The coordinate is x, negative y. Example 1, the coordinate for P is 3, 4. The hypotenuse is calculated by square root 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 5. Therefore the sine theta is equal to 4 over 5, cos theta is equal to 3 over 5, and the tangent theta is equal to 4 over 3. After that, I'm going to talk about the value of sine, cosine, and tangent at angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Here is the table that shows the sine, cosine, and tangent at angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. For sine, 0 degrees is 0, 30 degrees is 1 over 2, 45 degrees is 1 over surd 2, 60 degrees is surd 3 over 2, and 90 degrees is 1. For cos, 0 degrees is 1, 30 degrees is surd 3 over 2, 45 degrees is 1 over surd 2, 60 degrees is 1 over 2, and 90 degrees is 0. Last but not least, for tangent, 0 degrees is 0, 30 degrees is 1 over surd 3, 45 degrees is 1, 60 degrees is surd 3 and 90 degrees is undefined. Example 2a. Without using a scientific calculator, determine the value for cos 150 degrees. Firstly, 150 degrees is located at quadrant 2, therefore it is a negative value for cos. We use 180 degrees to minus the 150 degrees to find the acute angle for cos. The acute angle is equal to 30. Referring back to the previous table, cos 30 is equal to surd 3 over 2. Therefore negative cos 30 degrees is equal to negative surd 3 over 2. Example 2b. Tangent 225 degrees. Firstly, 225 degrees is located at quadrant 3, therefore it is a positive value for tangent. We use 225 degrees to minus the 180 degrees to find the acute angle for tangent. The acute angle is equal to 45. Referring back to the previous table, tangent 45 is equal to 1. Therefore the answer for tangent 225 degrees is 1. Example 2c. Sine 300 degrees. Firstly, 300 degrees is located at quadrant 4, therefore it is a negative value for sine. We use 360 degrees minus 300 degrees to find the acute angle for sine. We found that the acute angle is equal to 60. Referring back to the previous table, sine 60 is equal to surd 3 over 2. Therefore negative sine 60 will be equal to negative surd 3 over 2. Example 3a. Given that sine theta is equal to 0.6157 and the theta is more than equal to 0 degree and less than equal to 360 degrees. Calculate the angle theta. Firstly, 0.6157 is a positive value, therefore it is located at quadrants 1 or 2 for the sine function. In order to find the corresponding angle theta, we inverse the sine function. Then we will get inverse sine 0.6157 is equal to 38 degrees, by using the scientific calculator to calculate. The final answer for theta is either 38 degrees or 142 degrees. Example 3b. Given that cos theta is equal to minus 0.4226 and the theta is more than equal to 0 degree and less than equal to 360 degrees. Calculate the angle theta. Firstly, minus 0.4226 is a negative value, therefore it is located at quadrants 2 or 3 for the cos function. In order to find the corresponding angle theta, we inverse the cos function. Then we will get inverse cos minus 0.4226 is equal to 65 degrees, by using the scientific calculator to calculate. The final answer for theta is either 115 degrees or 245 degrees. Lastly, example 3c. Given that tangent theta is equal to minus 1.4826 and the theta is more than equal to 0 degree and less than equal to 360 degrees. Calculate the angle theta. Firstly, minus 1.4826 is a negative value, therefore it is located at quadrants 2 or 4 for the tangent function. Same as the previous example, we inverse the tangent function to find the corresponding angle. Then we will get inverse tangent minus 1.4826 is equal to 56 degrees, by using the scientific calculator to calculate. The final answer for theta is either 124 degrees or 304 degrees.
Now, I'm going to explain the graphs of sines, cosine and tangent function. For a sine graph, it has a maximum value of 1, and x is equal to 90 degree and a minimum value of -1. When x is equal to 270 degree, it intercepts x-axis at x equals to 0 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree. While, for cosine graph y equal to cos x has a maximum value of 1 when x equals 0 degree and x equal 180 degree. It intercepts x-axis at x equals to 90 degree and 270 degrees. The characteristic of tangent graph y equals to tangent x has a maximum value is infinity and a minimum value is negative infinity. It intercepts x-axis at x equals to 0 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree. It also intercepts y-axis at y equals to 0. However, the values of tangent 90 degree and tangent 270 degree are undefined. This is a table that shows the effect of changes in constant tan, B and C on the graphs of trigonometric function. You all can understand the effect of changes through this table. Here we can go through some examples to understand more clearly. The diagram below shows a graph of the function y equals to sine x for x between 0 degree and 360 degree. The first graph is y equals to sine x, hence its amplitude is 2. For question B, y equals to sine to x. Since the degree is to x, hence to x equals to 360 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree. For question C, when y equals to sine x plus e, the graph will move 1 unit up. When y equals to sine to x, it means that its amplitude of graph becomes 2 and period becomes 180 degree. Thank you all for lending your ear and watch this video.